Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and sometimes intraday updates like this one. We look at the price of Bitcoin and we use it as a proxy for cryptocurrency markets at large. All right, this is just a really quick update because our inverse head and shoulders on the hourly time frame has been invalidated. Why? Basically, that right shoulder was forming, but then price found its way much lower. So this pattern is now invalidated, right? And patterns are valid until invalidated away. So that is now no longer a scenario. So let's get rid of that. But we're still okay. Why? Let's zoom out. Higher time frame. Let's go on the 4 hourly. Again, you look at the higher time frame, you look at a pattern, the more confidence you can say that that pattern is likely to play out. So we look on the 4 hourly, and what do we see? We see that Bitcoin since about the 19th of August has been in an Elliot Wave impulse, and it's very clear here. And this is the thing with patterns. You can't always see them until they're completed sometimes. Some people have a gift of seeing them mid-pattern or early. Others, maybe like myself, it kind of needs to play out. Then you're like, oh, okay, I see what's happening now. Okay, so this is a clear Elliott wave impulse, 5-wave impulse, a first wave, second wave corrective, third wave, usually the longest, but not always, never the shortest. Fourth wave. The fourth wave is complex if the second wave is simple, and vice versa. So that's clearly a fourth wave. And then the fifth wave that completes the up wave action. After the 5-wave impulse, whether up or down, you get a corrective wave, and you get ABC corrections, right? So an ABC correction can take the form of a zigzag or a flat or a running flat or whatever. This is a clear zigzag ABC, and this is what we're seeing now. We had the A, and remember how it works. So in an ABC correction, let's go on the hourly so we can see very carefully what that looks like. The ABC correction is made up of smaller ABC corrections in the A and the B wave, and then in the C wave, you have a 5-wave Elliott, five-part Elliott wave, okay? So you get A, B, C. A, B, C. So that's the B wave. And then in the C wave, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That big candle that we had gotten, around 9 a.m. was that third wave. And then we got the fourth wave, and now the fifth wave is complete. So once the ABC correction is complete, you can start your trend impulse again. And the trend is up. So that means we're likely to go up from here. Okay, that was the local bottom. So that's just a quick update as to what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin charts. Remember, if Bitcoin went down, what did this ABC correction do? Let's see. Went down 5%. Your favorite project, your alts, mid cap, low caps are going to go down 10 to 12%. So that's pretty much Bitcoin. This is why we're still okay. We're still with maintaining market structure, just like I said this morning, making higher and highs and higher lows. And actually, this is really healthy because you're not creating too much imbalance. Imbalance is when you have either nothing but growth or nothing but declension. So like you either have green candles or red candles with nothing to fill that space. Here you have a lot of green, right, on that third wave of the previous Elliott wave all up. Now we filled that gap here, just like you kind of fill in CME gaps, is the same concept. So that's the quick Bitcoin update. Hopefully everybody's well and everybody's kind of relaxed. Still in an uptrend. All right, see you guys. Bye.